Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will talk about an opportunity that can really make you money because I have been following this project. It's called Runemine with a ticker Mine token. And this video, I will talk about runes and of course, I will tell you the potential of upcoming segment which is Bitcoin DeFi. And this particular token is actually in the news. Of course, not in the news much. People are not aware of it, and of course, it is not yet listed on any top exchanges. Plus, this is a genuine project with genuine team and is doing a great job by connecting Bitcoin assets to the non-EVM chain and EVM chain with a token called Mine token. So in this video, I will cover this project in detail and tell you where the opportunity is and of course when to enter, when to exit, and of course how to make good money by being early into this project. So with that, let's kick off. Let's talk about Runemine. Now again, if you're liking my analysis of my previous videos and current video, please do remember to press the subscribe button and also have a Telegram group where I share a lot of trading updates. You can click on the link below to join that group right away. So first of all, let's talk about numbers. Then I talk about what it is and why it is important and how much money you can derive from it by being early. Because right now the price is at 0.006. Yesterday the price was at around 0.002. So clearly it is increasing day by day, and being early will have its own reward. So first of all, just a quick update, look at the market cap, $3 million, which is nothing. You are very early if you enter into this or if you're liking this particular token. Liquidity is $75,000, which is actually low, but for the time being it's okay. Circulation supply is just 500 million token. Holder is 9,000 only. And this is a 24-hour volume, which is again low. So this is Rune Mine. Let me talk about the chart first. So chart has already hit. If I go to the monthly chart, actually I have to go to weekly because the token was launched this year. And if you go to the, okay, this is okay, the monthly chart, the token was launched at a price of 0.02, then it dumped to 0.002, then it again scaled back up to zero point zero 0.01 and now trading at 0.006. So clearly it has the ability to reach 0.02 or maybe close to 10 cents. That is very much possible. So given the fact your target is 10 cents for the time being, let's assume that, and not $1, how much money can be driven from it at the current price? And with that, we have to explore what is Runemine in short. So first of all, Mine is a token of this project which is called Runemine, which is actually a cross-chain runes bridge. So if you learn about Bitcoin, when Bitcoin started, it has a BTC token. Later on, Bitcoin developed something called as ordinals, where you can put your asset like image, music into Bitcoin blockchain, and that works like an NFT on any other blockchain. Now, after that comes the runes, which is RUNES, and that runes basically, if I tell you in the short, runes are basically meme coins on Bitcoin. Just like you have meme coin on Solana, you have meme coin on Bitcoin called as runes. Just in short, keep this in mind. And of that, this particular token, which is dog token, is the first runes on Bitcoin, which means the first meme coin on Bitcoin. And it went crazy after launch. It has a total supply of 100 billion tokens. And go down here and you will see something very interesting, and that is, if you check the explorer, you will see soul scan here. Now how come a token that is on Bitcoin is on Solana? It is because it has been bridged from Bitcoin to Solana using this protocol, which is Runemine. And you can see here the products, you will see Mine Bridge. This is a bridge that is used to bridge tokens from Bitcoin to Solana and back. And that is why this is came into being, the use case came into being. Now this is not just limited to Bitcoin and Solana. It is expanding to Bitcoin, to base chain, Bitcoin to Ethereum and back. That is where the potential is. It is now adding EVM chain to its network. That is a huge thing for a token with a supply of just 500 million. Now, talking about the Rune token, why I believe it's a golden goose if you enter early. By the way, just a disclaimer, this is not a paid video, it's totally my analysis. And if you're liking it, make sure to go through all the documents before investing into this token. So look at Runemine token. Mine is the native token that powers the Runemine ecosystem, the core utility asset underpinning Runemine infra integrations and growth across Bitcoin, Solana, and Near. So this particular blockchains are already live. The bridge is live on Bitcoin, Solana, and Near. Now they are working on making it live on Ethereum and also on base chain. And if you know if that happens, if Bitcoin runes come to Ethereum or let's say a base, it is going to shoot up in value. That is my belief, and that is why I'm very bullish about this token. Now, mine is integral to the expansion of Runemine product suite. They have multiple products, they have rune short launches, they have trading, they have cross-chain liquidity, and of course, as integration expand, mine become increasingly central to protocol level coordination. So that is why the role of mine token is pivotal. And let me tell you, the token has 500 million token at the moment, but total supply is just 1 billion token. That means a lot of opportunity for this token to grow to a great level to maybe beyond $1 in good time, or if Bitcoin DeFi segment picks up momentum. Now let's talk about mine tokenomics, which is updated yesterday, and because of that tokenomics, the token pumped like crazy. You will see from the 1 hour chart itself, like I showed you, the token has shown good pump, and you can see here it was at 0.002, and after tokenomics 3 was released, the pump was insane. So what happened yesterday that led to this much pump? Of course, I have already talked about it in my Telegram group and also my Twitter. And because of the news, the people entered early and made good profit. So that's why I tell you, join my Telegram and follow the updates closely. So let's talk about this part, which is your tokenomics 3. And this is around over here. Mine tokenomics 3, building long-term value one block at a time. So what they are doing differently, as they expand the mindless product range, support external integration, and grow the Bitcoin ecosystem together, one token will stand at the center of all, and that is mine. And now they are doing is 100% of net bridge revenue now goes into market buyback of mine token. This is very important. Because of this line, the token is pumping insanely, and I strongly believe it has the potential to really 100x or 1000x during the bull season of Bitcoin in 2025 or 26. Second line, purchase token power staking rewards across Solana, Bitcoin, and RuneSki. This is great. Mine is now active on Solana, Bitcoin, L1, and near with EVM's base Ethereum next in line. Like I said, it is expanding rapidly, and that is why the fun here is to invest early into this particular potential token. New utility, fee governance, liquidity, incentives, and campaign rewards. Again, that's a use case for the Mind token distribution designed to move Mind from weak hands into long term committed holder. So clearly, if you're holding the Mind token, you should hold it to your heart. I was one of the few members who took part in the airdrop, got the runes key, and I've also purchased some set of runes token after studying their tokenomics 3, and I believe they have a potential. So if not $1, at least they can target 10 cents immediately in the coming quarter, which is Q4. So clearly, this is a tokenomics which I would like to tell you. And rest of the product, you can read a doc file. I will share all the links in the description. And I strongly believe the Mine token is very much undervalued at the moment. 0.006 is very low, and with time, it is going to boom like crazy. I have used this bridge once. I have created a video about it long back, and of course, this works like magic. It is very easy to use, of course, and very simple. So clearly try it out yourself. Check out the handles, check out the social handles, which is right over here of Runemine, and of course, decide for yourself. I believe it can really make you a lot of money. What do you think about Runemine? Comment below, let me know. And if you're liking the video, if you're liking my analysis studies about the trading videos, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and help me make more information and of course knowledgeable video plus profitable one for you. So let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.